Returning your backdrop at Grosh via the will call option is very easy. All you gotta do is pack up your backdrop and head over to Grosh at 8050 San Fernando Road in Sun Valley, California. All right, we're here, and it looks like we have to return at the back of the warehouse. So let's head over there right now. Getting to the back of the warehouse is very easy. All you have to do is make a left on the first street that you see. It's called Clybourne. We're heading there right now. And just go around the building. Once you see the entrance, you're going to make a left right inside, and you see that warehouse store that's open? That's Grosh. This is the back entrance of Grosh Backdrops. Once you're there, just grab your backdrop and enter through the warehouse doors or that door that you just saw. Upon arrival to our warehouse, you'll see our warehouse guys inside. Just let them know that you're dropping off a will call, and they'll be happy to help you out.